If you refuse to destroy fear, fear will destroy you. This is the way to destroy fear. You need to learn to max out, okay? You need to learn to do very fearful things, like do very difficult stuff, things that you cannot do on your live account. Do it on demo, then repeat it on live. Then greed. Don't throw away greed, okay? Greed is good and is bad. Greed is a double-edged sword. But in trading mindset, this is very useful. I am talking from experience, like I said. I'm not talking from a book or somebody who have not really experienced market. You know, we have a lot of people who write about the market, who do courses about the market, who have not experienced it. They're only talking from the research they have done. Me, I'm talking from experience. Okay, I'm just only telling you how I destroy. You may say it's not, what is this guy saying? This guy is just not, he's talking rubbish. You bought the rubbish, right? You bought the course, man. Okay, so I'm not talking rubbish. I'm talking from the terrain. I'm talking from the market, real 6 years experience. Within the 6 years, I've given up twice and came back. And came back and said, no, this market will not beat me. I will beat it. Okay, that is the realm I'm coming from, right? So, greed can give you lots of money. But where you need to control greed is knowing when to stop. Knowing when to stop, right? Knowing when to stop. Okay, now, there is this thing I used to tell my students. I said, if you want to be successful in trading, you need to treat your live account like a demo account. I will say that again. If you want to succeed in trading, treat your live account as a demo account. How do you treat a demo account? Very simple. You enter a trade. Most of the time, 90% of people who trade demo do not use stop loss. How is it that when you get to the live account, you are now using stop loss? That mindset did not correlate at all. In the first instance on demo, you refusing to use stop loss means you don't know how to use it. So when you go to live, and you start using stop loss, you will get stopped out so many times because that is not the angle your mindset was built from. Watch your attitude. I need you to watch your attitude and pay attention to how you behave on demo. Because the way you behave on demo should be what you are translating to your live account. I will say that again. Pay attention to your behavior when you are trading a demo account. Because the way you are handling your demo account should be exactly the same mindset and blueprint you should transfer to your live account. Are you getting me? You need to understand this. If not, you will remain in fear. If not, you will keep going in cycles. You will not make any progress. When I destroyed it, I used to fund account like $100, but I can't grow it. I'll fund $100. I can't grow the account to even 120 to 150 because I'm afraid. I'll just enter the trade, and then once the trade goes a little bit, I just off it. I just close the whole market and go and sit down. But if it is going against me, I will hold the losses until it turns. Now, that wasn't trading. I told myself, no, let me study more. I studied more, all the things about technical analysis. There's all the strategies you are trading right now, I know them. From ICT to other block, there's nothing in trading to indicator fundamentals. There's nothing. Some of my students use FinViz and they fail woefully. I told them I have all the things you are going through right now. I've gone through them. You don't need to be doing any other thing. Once you're in the mentorship, stay with me. I have experience, man. I've done everything. Keep failing until I told myself, no. I studied everything I need to study, and then I just pick just one simple way of trading. Just one simple way of trading, of which I'm going to be revealing to you. But I can't just be teaching you, technical analysis, be teaching you skills and all of that, entries. I know some of you that are here, this class is boring. You are being bored right now. Please, this guy, you need to talk fast. Let's go into something more serious. This is the most serious aspect of trading. This is the most serious aspect of trading. You need to take it from me. How did I break my mindset? I told you already. After studying everything, I started funding accounts, I said, no, let me try $5. My entry is good. For you to trade $5, your entry must be very good. There are groups I have been added to on Telegram. I posted my result until they had to remove me from the group. They said I was converting all their students to my student. Because the thing is, my entries are pretty good. You can check me on Instagram or on Facebook and see some of my trades. If I put $5, the highest the drawdown can go and get me is $3. $3, and I'm done with the drawdown, and the market keeps going my way. So are you understanding now? This thing is very, very simple, but this was how I started it. Funding my $5, and then I'll say, okay, on this trade, I'm going 1 to unlimited leverage. Only XNES offer that. If you have not registered, register below, or just ask me, I'll send you the link. I'll put in $5 and I will open position up to 6, 0.01 up to 6 places. Somebody says it's not possible. It is possible. I have opened 6 positions, 0.01 up to now. We still do it. All right. I just max out. Sometimes I lost it, but sometimes I just open one position, not because I'm afraid. I just open one position first, right? First, one position. Then once the market just goes in my direction, I just max out. I open plenty, and they just keep running like that. And once I began to trade like that, I said, wow, instead of now me funding $100 to be making 110, 120 and running away, I just started funding $5 10 times. So I did 5 to 100, 5 to 110, 5 to 125, 5 to 50, 5 to... The screenshot, I will send you a screenshot. 5 to 70, like that. Then down to 100 to 1,000, bro. 100 to 1,000 for the first time in my life, because I translated my carelessness on demo to life. You have to be careless. The way you are careless on demo, be careless like that in life. If you are not using stop loss on demo, when you go live, don't attempt it, because it will not work. It's going to be a disconnection. There will be a switch in your mindset. Your brain cannot recognize that. That is why a lot of people are successful on their demo account and they are not successful in life, on the live account. They are not successful there, but they are very successful on demo. Why? Because they are careless on demo. So if carelessness is giving you money on demo, why not translate the same carelessness into your live account and make money? The goal is to beat the market and make money, guys. I'm still on fear and greed. So do you get this now? Is it about indicators? Bro, trading has nothing to do with how people look at the market. You need to avoid big mouth on YouTube. You need to avoid people that have large mouth and talking anyhow on YouTube. Indicators don't work. It is only technical and other block that works. It is only ICT that works. It's only this that work. Indicators doesn't work. This is load of shit and all of that. My guys, I would like, shut up, man. Shut up. There is no right or wrong way to trade Forex. I know lots of mentors who use indicators and they make shitloads of money. And I know a lot of people trading just support and resistance like me who make real money. I know people trading ICT, other block, who get stopped out hundreds of times before they make one profit. Are you understanding me? Their goal is they keep losing. They're talking about risk to reward ratio. I don't give a fuck about risk to reward ratio because I don't behave like that on my demo account. I don't know what is risk to reward ratio.